What we finna do, boss man? We ain't got no wheels. The release is in 2 days. I don't even think they can ship it that fast. Clock's ticking, K9.
Boom, and just like that, Fitment Industries saved the day again. Another round of cool wheels. This time we've got 57 DRs, arms gray. This is an 18 by 9.5 plus 22. This is an 18 by 10.5 plus 12. Just in time for the debut of the new GR. Thank you, Fitment Industries. All right, I'm just here to break up Tito's montage, introduce this behind the build. Welcome back to episode 2. We're talking all about the interior of this car, going over details, few quick things to note, Recaro buckets, grip royal wheel, a new pedal set from Tilton, shit I'm excited about. So in this episode, it feels like the OEM dash and things, it feels like we're trying to keep the aesthetics of the OEM car. But let's flash back 8 months ago when we had to actually tear this thing apart from the dealership. So let's go.
It sucks you can't post about this, because this is cool shit. Yeah. That was easy.
Oh, it is a hook. Scary. First try, bro. I just want to thank my family for allowing me to be here and put me on this planet.
Got the seatbelt, so. Keep trying.
I'm good with this. Use pure sheer force. Show the cam how much of a man I am. Whoa. New year, same strength.
Damn, son. You're like halfway finished.
Did you pull down at all?
Oh, you have to push up. It's like a little hook.
Push what up then, man?
The whole thing.
You said push up, I push up. You said not that.
Yeah. That.
Thank you. Thanks, Dad. Didn't expect him to torque the whole thing.
Straight back to release it. And we'll do the same thing.
Can you throw that back there too, man? Thank you.
So for us, when taking this car apart, we wanted to keep it as OEM plus as possible as a race car. So when we took things off, we were very careful with the wiring harness, with the dash pieces, with any interior pieces like these door cards. We wanted to keep it and reserve it for how we put it back into the car as a race car. So for these, I cut to match the door bars. This I cut just a little bit so it can match the roll cage, and then it goes back in nice and easy. And it looks really clean and very close to how it was from factory.
We have to pull the steering wheel off?
Yep. You want to start on that?
I guess.
I don't see how this comes out. Not my car.
Not my car. Brandon, did Adrian tell you about the steering wheel? We're gonna take the steering wheel, we're gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna give it to Kaylee. I'm gonna like sign it and say thank you. So, gotta keep her nice.
All right, I haven't broken anything yet, so I'm not gonna break anything. All right, but you gotta break it both ways. See? No. I made it easy.
Oh, you gotta do it this way.
I made it easy. Why is it?
Oh, fuck.
Why y'all gotta say something about me breaking something? This is, what is this?
He broke the clock spring.
Fuck. I'm sorry, bro. We shouldn't have said anything. I was doing so good.
Went back to the fucking office.
Funny thing is, I was like, if you need two eyes on it, let me know.
We had 4 sets of eyes on it. And a camera, sadly. Watch. Now, anytime they get an opportunity to, someone's bringing this up. You remember at the beginning of this year?
Oh, good thing I didn't fucking yank on this more. I would have broken the dash.
Don't yank on anything.
All right, so from here, we're gonna pull the OEM engine and get it ready to house the 2JZ 3.4 liter Rad Dan engine. It's very important that we keep the OEM harness as complete as possible because we end up using things like the OEM headlight harness and the wiper motor harness. All that is super important for us to keep together. That way we can use it later on. And then in the future, you'll be able to see Rad Dan actually come here and help us start this thing for the first time. What the fuck is that?
Tuna can.
Looks like Spam.
Yeah, Spam can. Look how small these little axles are.
No wonder it makes 200 horsepower.
Little skinny boys. Tiny, dude. Oh, this
like yours.
Shut up, Tito. Wasn't funny, bro.
It was kind of funny.
We're not all built like the Michelin Man. Fucking doughboy, meathead ass. Fuck.
They're like Rugrats.
You already said that. I changed mine at least.
You say the same shit every time.
I said Johnny Bravo last time, so you're an
Did you
idiot.
say this time?
I can't even remember it because
Great.
that's how quick I forget about it. Bad bitch syndrome. Sorry, I have it.
Some of these.
Damn, bro, I left all my sockets in the car.
You got it, dude.
I got it, I know that.
Dude, you're a fucking beast.
I'm curious, but he thinks if we drop this, these will slide out without having to move any arms. We'll see how stuck
I
we
think
get.
so.
I don't know.
We gotta
It's
get
a close call. It might work.
It might. They're pretty loose already.
Right, ready? I'll help you once I can put this down.
Drop your shoulder. Oh my god. Is it heavy? It's heavy. Okay.
Whoa, wait. Wait. Oh, wait. Down.
Damn.
This one's out.
Hold up, help me. No, okay, bro. We're okay. It's good. That was scary. I got it now.
Where are you going with it, bro?
That bitch is heavier than I thought. As soon as the actual bolts came out,
Yeah, like, oh,
but it's just like, oh no, that was not the best idea.
All right, guys. So obviously stoked to like keep building this car out and show you guys the finished product. We're gonna be powder coating stuff and just like finishing the interior. With that being said, next week's episode, Sabon doors, Pandem kit. We get to flashback when all of that arrived and was in its raw form. We're gonna tear everything off this car and show you how we mounted it all. So yeah, dude, more info coming next Friday. See y'all soon.